Next topic is significance of stock exchange. Sir, here we'll discuss, sir, why we want stock exchange. What is the importance of stock exchange here? Got it? So, what is the benefit of having stock exchange here? So, let us discuss benefits of stock exchange, significance of stock exchange, or you can say importance of a stock exchange. Let us discuss one by one. Stock exchange will give benefits to three kinds of a person: to the investors, to the company, and to the society here. To the investor, to the company, and to the society. Let us discuss one by one. So, firstly we are going to discuss, sir, what are the significance of stock exchange to the investors. Sir, if there is stock exchange here, then what is the benefit investors they are having? Let us discuss here. So, benefits of having stock exchange to the investors. First thing, remember here, if there is stock exchange here, then stock exchange will help each and every investor to know the value of its holding. What do you mean by this point? It means, sir, I am a shareholder, I am having certain shares of Tata Limited, but I don't know what is the value of my shares as on today. So, who will help me? Stock exchange will help me. Why? Because every day stock exchange will display the prices of listed companies shares here. Got it? Remember, every day on the stock exchange will be presenting, will be showing what is the share value of Tata, what is the share value of Reliance, what is the share value of Infosys. So, for each listed company, stock exchange will show the price, because of which we can come to know what is the price of my holding of the securities which I am holding here. So, hence first significance is stock exchange helps each and every investor to know the value of its holding here. Got it? Next, second one is it reduces the risk of investors by providing correct evaluation of securities on continuous basis. What do you mean by this one? Sir, today I am having, let us say, 10,000 number of shares. Got it? Now, I want to sell certain 2,000 number of shares and I want to buy further 5,000 shares of other company. But sir, should I sell this today or not? What is the price I will get today? Or should I buy this 5,000 shares of other company or not? At what price should I buy this shares here? Who will help me? Stock exchange will help me. Why? Because if I am selling my shares at low price, I will be at the loss. Or if I am buying this new 5,000 shares at high price, I will be at the loss here. So, hence stock exchange will help me to evaluate the securities here. Understand here, stock exchange will help me to evaluate the value of the securities here. Got it? On continue basis here, so that I can understand here, okay, shall I buy this, shall I sell this 2,000 number of shares today or not? Should I buy this 5,000 number of shares or not here? So, it is reducing my risk. Who is helping me here? Stock exchange here. So, stock exchange will reduces the risk of investors. How? By providing correct, understand here, correct evaluation of securities on continuous basis here. Got it? Now, sir, third point, when we shall invest. Got it, sir? When the markets are growing, sir, at that time let us invest here. When the market is in favorable condition, sir, let us invest here. Yes or no? But sir, how we should know that market is having very good condition? How we should know, sir, market is having favorable condition? How, sir? How? Sir, stock exchange will help us. So, remember, stock exchange will help the investors. Understand, stock exchange will help the investor by providing investment opportunity in the reputed company. Why? Because they will show us, okay, what is a favorable condition to invest. Hence, who will provide the best opportunity to invest in the reputed company? Of course, sir, stock exchange here. Got it here? Yes or no? Achha. Now, fourth point, see, as of now, I am holding the shares of Reliance. Now, I want to sell these shares and I want to purchase the shares of Tata. Can I do this? Yes, I can do. Got it here? But sir, who will help me to sell this shares of Reliance and who will help me to buy this shares of Tata? Sir, of course, stock exchange. Stock exchange is a shopping mall. Did you remember? I'll go to the stock exchange, that shopping mall. I'll sell the shares and I'll buy the shares here. So, can I say here, stock exchange is providing us choice to change the investment from one company to another company. Hence, stock exchange provide choice to investors to change their investment from one company to another company. Got it here? Yes or no? Achha, sir, Next topic I'm having, next point, I'm having one doubt. Sir, as of now I'm holding 4000 number of shares. How many shares? 4000 number of shares. Sir, my money is invested into these shares. Now I want money, sir, right now. I am in the need of money. What should I do? Sir, sell these shares. So where I'll go to sell these shares? Sir, stock exchange hai na, we'll go and we'll sell the shares at the stock exchange here. So hence remember, stock exchange provides liquidity to the investors. Liquidity means whenever I want, I can in cash my shares, means I'll sell the shares and I'll get back the cash here. So stock exchange will provide liquidity to investors by providing facility of conversion of securities at any time, nothing but facility of selling of securities at any time. Sell the shares, convert the shares into the money and enjoy. Why? Because you have money. So this was the fifth significance to the investor. Now let us see the sixth one. Understand? See, SEBI have given certain rules and regulation. SEBI have introduced certain act, but understand, SEBI have given here, but who has to follow all this thing here? Sir, stock exchange has to follow all this thing here. Stock exchange will ensure that these rules are followed at a strict level here. Understand here. Stock exchange will ensure that everyone, whoever is dealing on the stock exchange, whether buyer, seller, broker, whoever is coming on the stock exchange, they have to follow this rules and regulation strictly. Got it? If they are not following, there will be heavy penalty. So can I say here, by enforcement of rules and regulation strictly by the stock exchange, sir, they are protecting, they are safeguarding the investors. Yes, so hence stock exchange will safeguard the investors by strict enforcement of rules and regulation here. Got it? Chalo. Now next one, see the example here. Sir, we have seen that what public will do, from their regular income they will save certain money, that money will be invested into the companies and will get some return here. Yes or no? So who is helping us to invest into the company? Stock exchange. They are providing one market and they are saying, my dear investors, you have saved money, come with that saved money and purchase the securities here and get the returns here. So can I say here, stock exchange is promoting the habits of saving, investment and risk taking among the investors. Why? Because stock exchange are saying you save money, invest the money and get a return here. So hence stock exchange promoting the habits of saving, investing and risk taking among the investors here. Got it here? Chalo. Now understand your please carefully. Sir, I want to invest into the company, but sir, which company? In which company I should invest? I'll have one doubt. Should I invest in big company or should I invest in low company? Sir, in which company I should invest the money? We don't know anything. Which company is having very good credit worthiness? Which company is having bad credit worthiness here? So who will help me? Stock exchange. Understand? Stock exchange will be displaying the name of good and very good reputed and credit worthiness companies here. To whom they are going to display this? To the investors here. So hence understand here, stock exchange provides information regarding the activities of the companies and credit worthiness of the company to the investors, and based on this we can discuss and we can decide whether should I invest in this company or not here. Why? Because always we will be investing in the good credit worthiness companies here. So who is providing this information? Stock exchange here. Got it? Achha. Now sir, Kingfisher Airlines, everyone knows about that. Vijay Mallya, he was owner of that company. Sir, I heard that, not sure, I heard that that company was not satisfying certain rules and regulation. Got it? So who will inform this to the public? Who will inform this to the investors that they are not satisfying all the rules and regulation? Sir, stock exchange here. So understand here, stock exchange will provide information regarding the legality of the company, whether this company is complying with all rules and regulation or not, or is there any penalty imposed on the company or not here. So who will be providing all this information? Of course, stock exchange here. Got it? Stock exchange will also provide information to the investor whether this company is in sound position or not. That is called solvency position. solvency position means good financial position here. So hence stock exchange, okay, will provide the information regarding the good financial position of a company, that is solvency position of the company here. Got it? In short, I'll say here, boss, stock exchange will protect the investors from the cheating company here. Why? Because if any company is issuing the shares with the intention to cheat the investors, stock exchange, okay, will remove their shares from the stock exchange here, and they will say we don't want to sell your shares through the stock exchange here. So hence it is protecting the investors from being cheated by the companies here. So all these were the significance to whom? To the investors here. Significance of stock exchange to the investors. Now let us discuss what all are the significance of stock exchange to the company. Nothing but, sir, if there is one stock exchange here, what is the benefit to the stock to the company? Let us discuss here. So significance of stock exchange to whom? To the company. Company, first one, understand here, company, they want to have fund, they don't have the resources, they want investors. So who will help the company to bring the investors? Stock exchange here. So stock exchange, okay, will bring potential investors to the company here. Yes or no? Acha, sir, just now we have seen that stock exchange, okay, will give information regarding the good and credit worthiness companies to the investors here. So can I say here, sir, this is also becoming benefit to the company here? Why? Because stock exchange, okay, will provide a high rate of goodwill and credit to the listed companies here. So the company who are performing very well here, stock exchange, okay, will place their name, okay, at the high position here, so that, okay, public should know, yes, this company is having a very good goodwill in the market, they are having very good credit worthiness in the market here. Hence stock exchange, okay, provides a high rate of goodwill and credit to the listed companies here. Got it here? Yes or no? Chalo, now understand here. Third point, when company will mobilize the funds? When investors are investing here. When investors will invest into the company, sir, before investing, firstly they should know about the company.